Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to change profile picture on TikTok, and all we have to do is to launch our TikTok application. Then we're going to tap on our profile. From there, we're going to long press on our profile, and as you can see, we actually see the option to change photo. We're going to tap on it. From there, we are going to choose the photo we want to upload, and let's say choose this one, and then going to tap on okay, going to tap on confirm. I am going to, let's say, put it like this, or I can actually leave it like that. Then I'm going to save the post once I'm okay with it. And as you can see, that's how we've actually been able to change our profile picture. From there, we can actually decide to share our profile on our social medias platform or with our friends. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.